Nagpapasalamat po ako sa management ng Lazuri, especially sa aming napaka-dedicated na coordinator, si John Dong. From the very beginning, sobrang hands-on ka na sa amin. Kahit madaling araw ka na namin kinukulit. Dito ba si John Dong? Ay, wala. Kahit madaling araw ka na namin ginugulo, talagang G ka pa rin sumagot sa aming mga requests na biglaan, out of nowhere, gano'n, last minute. You're always there, dedicating your time and effort to us. And today, nasaksihan namin ang sobrang hands-on at care ng Lazuri Management to our hair and makeup artist. Special shout-out sa aming host. Hindi ko in-expect na kanina kachikahan ko lang siya nagme-makeup. Ngayon pala siya na ang nandito sa taas. Kudos to you, Miss Melay. I appreciate you a lot for that. Thank you for making this day easy for me as a brain stress. You made it easy. Thank you to your team as well. To Zaira, to Giselle who assisted us today. Thank you so much. Alam ko hindi maganda yung weather na napunta natin kanina, umaambon, pero still everyone was enjoying. I hope you enjoy this day as we have enjoyed it. At milyong salamat po sa Diyos sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat.